Alright, you ready? Open the box. Hold on, let's take a look. What will it be? He or she?
Lift it way up high.
Hold on. Oh, it doesn't open that way, it just opens this way. It'll either have pink balloons or blue balloons. Let's see what it says. Open it up. Take the gold part off. It's a boy.
Wow.
All right, you got a baby brother coming in December.
Wow.
Aww, I wanted a baby sister. I want a baby brother.
Well, you getting a baby brother.
Isabel wanted. She wanted a boy.
All right.
Wow.
Say goodnight, everybody.
Good night.
Good night, everybody.